friends, welcome to my channel GoDigit. Today I'm going to show you how to add and use contacts form 7 plugin in WordPress. So let's go to the plugin, click on add new. Now just search contact form 7. So let's see its detail first. Description, installation, FAQ, change login, screenshots, reviews. Okay, so click on install now button. Then activate, click on activate. Now you can see it is activated and you can see its column, contact column here. So let's create a contact form now. So click on add new, contact, add new. Write title over here, contact or whatever you want to write. Now see, this coding is already here. So you just need to make changes according to your name. It is required, email required, subject required not mentioned, and your message it also required not mentioned. That means if you want something to be must by the visitor when they are filling the contact form, then you can write a required text over there. Okay, this one. Let's suppose I want a subject to be must. So select this and copy, give a space, then paste. Okay, and you can take a cursor over here. You can see a star button. Copy and paste. Okay, and if you don't want, just leave it. Okay, you can make changes in mail, messages, additional settings according to your choice. Click on save button. Now you can see a code over here. Just select this code, copy this, copy, then go to pages, add new, or and whatever you want to add, just open that. I'm writing title over here, contact us, just paste it, paste this code over here, then click on publish. Okay, now let's see how it will look. Preview changes. Okay, now you can see send button. It is created now. Contact form, your contact form is ready. So friends, if you have any query related to this video, just let me know in the comment section. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, just subscribe it for more such videos. Thank you.